Today, we're going to show you how to put on your bike chain if it's fallen off. As you can see here, our bike chain has fallen off and is resting only on the bike frame. Typically, when the chain falls off, it falls off next to the gear that it was previously on. So we're going to go ahead and just reattach it to this gear right here. When reattaching your bike chain, you need to locate the derailleur arm. If you push this arm forward, it will release all of the tension off of your bike chain. With the tension released, you can now make any adjustments as necessary to your chain and the gears. As you can see here, we're going to push the arm forward, releasing any of the tension, and then we can take our other hand and reattach the chain onto the gear that it was previously on. Here's a topside view of what that looks like. Pushing the derailleur arm forward, we see the chain now has slack and we can reattach it to our gear. With your chain reattached, we're going to go ahead and just give this a test spin. Go ahead, lift up your bike from the seat, and then go ahead and just give it a quick little spin. As you can see, we got it all moving smoothly, and we are good to go. And that's how you reattach a bike chain. Thanks for watching.